Alright, we are back with the Fake Me Out Weber. All that scrap metal is stuff that has either been removed or going to be reused to close this roof in. The thing that's nice about this thing is I like that shelf, man. That shelf really comes in handy. We have our B&B charcoal briquettes, and we have a bunch of oak, post oak cut up, and that's our smoking wood. Halloween is just around the corner. Gotta have some Count Chocula. So today we're in the mountains of PA with my brother-in-law, and I'm going to do some smoked jalapeno cheddar cheese stuffed meatballs subs with a jalapeno jelly for a glazed topping. That's what we're going to do. So this is the cheese I'm going to be using. It's a smoked jalapeno cheddar cheese that the Amish make by me, about less than probably less than 10 miles away from me. This is a aged block. I'm gonna cut up the cubes, and we're gonna use that into the meatballs that I'm making. Just give you a close up. Inside the rind, the outside, so you get pretty good smoke on it. Good stuff. So in trying to keep the hamburgers, the meatballs rather, somewhat consistent, I'm gonna have to do this because I'm not by myself and I'm on a phone, so I don't want to get hamburger grease all over my phone. But so I use this measuring cup just to pack it in there and get the about size. I'll just flip it over again if I have both hands. So what I did with this smoked cheddar is I broke it up, cut it up into pieces. It's more or less all going to end up in the same center of it anyway, but then I'll take and meet this, pull this, shape the meatball, and then I'll roll it, and I'll try and roll it as tight as I can because I don't want any gaps in the meatball, less likely for the cheese to run out of them. And there you go. So once I get the cheese in there, I reshape the meatball, and I try and pack it between my hands fairly tight, and I'll just roll it in my hands for probably a good 20-30 seconds, just to make sure it's nice and tight with fewer gaps in the meat. So let's get them on a smoker. Today we're going to be using the Fake Me Out Weber with post oak for wood to smoke. Post oak is going to be what we're using to smoke these meatballs. Alright, we are on. Get this lid closed up so we can get some smoke onto these meatballs here. Alright, let's put together some subs here. Just shave some cheese a little bit. Don't have a grater here, but I think I shaved it pretty much thin enough that it'll work. There we go. Smoked jalapeno cheddar cheese stuffed meatballs, Uncle Steve's magic rib, and then topped with a jalapeno jelly. One and two. One for me, one for my brother-in-law Keith. Alright, now for the taste test. brother-in-law's right here beside me. We're going to go ahead and just dig in.
Look at that inside. That looks good.
Wish I could melt some cheese out of it though. Oh, yours looks good though. Yeah, a smoke ring.
Hey, some kind of good.
Definitely good. A lot of smoke. This meatball lost all of its cheese.
You sure did.
There you have it. We're going to tear into these subs. Can't film, can't do it, can't talk, can't do a taste test all at the same time. We will talk to you later. Sleeper Barbecue. Thanks for watching.